Hello children, this is our English class. Today we will do English grammar. In English grammar, we will learn when and how to use this and that. We use this to show a single person, place, animal or a thing which is near to us. मतलब जो चीज़ हमारे आसपास या सामने होती है उसके लिए हम this यूज़ करेंगे. We use that to show a single person, place, animal or a thing which is far away from us. मतलब जो चीज़ हमसे दूर है उसके लिए हम that यूज़ करेंगे. Now children, let's learn more about this and that with different examples. The first mango is near to me, so I'll use this. And the other mango is far away from me, so I'll use that. The first pole is near to me, so I'll use this. And the other pole is far away from me, so I'll use that. Now, the ice cream is near to me, so I'll use this. And the other ice cream is far away from me, so I'll use that. Now let's try to make sentences using this and that. Rose. Rose is nearby me, so I'll use this. This is a rose. Lotus. Lotus is far away from me, so I'll use that. That is a lotus. Children, let's do another example. Cat. Cat is nearby me, so I'll use this. This is a cat. The dog is far away from me, so I'll use that. That is a dog. Children, let's review this and that. Number 1, dash is an ice cream. Now children, tell me, is the ice cream near or far away? It's far away, right? So what shall we use? Very good. That is an ice cream. Number 2, dash is a chair. Now, is the chair nearby or far away? It's nearby, so what shall we use? That's right. This is a chair. Number 3, dash is a sun. Now tell me, is the sun nearby or far away? Yes, it's far away. So what should we use? Yes, that is a sun. Now the last question, number 4, dash is a tree. Where is the tree? Is it nearby or far? It's nearby. So what shall we use? Very good. This is a tree.